Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your currency in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will have to tap into this icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that icon, and after going in here you will get to select this gear option into top right corner. Just simply choose that gear option and go to this page where you can select your preferences. First of all, you will get to see language, and in second you will get this option of currency directly. Now you just simply have to tap to currency, and after that you can choose between these available currencies in here. Now I have selected US dollar. Now I will change it into euro. Now just simply tap to any of the currency that you would like to select, obviously which are mentioned in here, and after tapping into that your currency will successfully be changed in Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.